We've all been there. You turn the key, hear that weak click sound, and your car won't start. You grab a portable jump starter, but will it actually work? Today, we're breaking down exactly when a jump starter fixes your car, and when it won't. No hype, just straight facts. Jump starter equals only for dead batteries. A portable jump starter is one of the most useful car tools you can have. But it's not a magic fix. It only solves one specific problem. And if you use it for the wrong issue, you'll waste time and maybe damage your car. Let's start with the basics. What does a jump starter actually do? A jump starter provides a quick burst of power to your car's battery. It's designed to help when your battery is dead, or weak, meaning it doesn't have enough juice to start the engine on its own. That's it. It doesn't fix mechanical problems, electrical issues, or fuel problems. First, the only time a portable jump starter will work, when your car battery is dead or weak. Let's break down the signs, so you can tell if this is your problem. Sign 1. When you turn the key or press start, you hear a weak click sound, but the engine doesn't turn over. That's the classic sign of a dead battery. Your starter is trying to work, but it doesn't have enough power. Sign 2. Your dashboard lights are dim, flickering, or won't turn on at all. If the lights are weak, that means your battery can't power even small electrical components, so it definitely can't start the engine. A jump starter will give it the boost it needs. Sign 3. Your car's lights, horn, or USB ports are weak or not working. If your battery is dead, it can't power any of these small devices. So a jump starter will temporarily fix this and let you start the car. Common scenarios: leaving your lights on overnight, parking your car for a week or more, or cold weather, which drains battery power faster. All of these lead to a dead battery, and a jump starter will fix it every time. Now, the most important part: when a jump starter won't help at all. If your car has any of these issues, save your time. A jump starter won't fix it, and you'll need a mechanic. 1. Engine mechanical problems. If your engine is making strange noises like grinding, knocking, or smoking, or if it's shaking violently, a jump starter won't help. This is a mechanical issue, like a broken timing belt or seized engine, that needs professional repair. 2. Starter failure. If you turn the key and hear nothing, no click, no engine sound, but your dashboard lights are bright, your starter is probably broken. The battery is fine, but the starter can't turn the engine over. A jump starter won't fix a broken starter. 3. Fuel issues. If your car has no gas, or if the fuel pump is broken, a jump starter won't help. The engine needs fuel to run even if the battery is fully charged. Check your gas gauge first if your car won't start. 4. Key anti-theft system problems. If your dashboard lights up, but the car won't recognize your key, or the anti-theft light is flashing, it's an electrical security issue. A jump starter can't bypass the anti-theft system or fix a faulty key. 5. Fuse or circuit problems. If a main fuse is blown, or there's a short circuit in your car's electrical system, the battery might not be getting power to the starter. A jump starter won't fix blown fuses or electrical shorts. You'll need to replace the fuse or get a mechanic. Let's recap with one simple rule. A portable jump starter only fixes one problem: a dead or weak car battery. It won't fix engine issues, starter problems, fuel issues, or electrical problems. If you see the signs of a dead battery clicking sound, dim lights, it will work. If not, call a mechanic. Since we're talking about jump starters, here's a quick recap of how to use one safely. No need for a detailed tutorial. We've covered that before. Connect the red clamp to the positive plus's battery terminal. Black clamp to negative, or a metal ground. Turn on the jump starter and start your car. Disconnect in reverse order after the car starts. Pro tip: keep your jump starter charged. Most jump starters hold a charge for 6-12 months. But check it every few months to make sure it's ready when you need it. Don't wait until your car is dead to realize your jump starter is also dead. Another tip: if your battery dies often, it might be time to replace it. A jump starter is a temporary fix. If you're jumping your car more than once a month, your battery is probably old and needs to be replaced. Q1. Will it work for all cars? Will a jump starter work for my car? Most portable jump starters work for 12V cars, trucks, SUVs, and motorcycles. Just check the jump starter specs to make sure it's powerful enough for your battery size. Q2. Is it safe to use? Yes, if you follow the steps. Most jump starters have reverse polarity protection. So if you connect the clamps wrong, it won't damage your car or the jump starter. Just take your time and double check the terminals. Q3. How long should I run the car after jumping? Let it idle for 5-10 minutes to recharge the battery. If you drive it right away, that's even better. Your car's alternator will charge the battery faster. That's it for today's useful tips. Now you know exactly when a portable jump starter will save you, and when you need to call a mechanic. This video is all about being prepared, so you don't get stuck on the side of the road. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car troubleshooting tips, emergency hacks, and no hype car advice. Let me know in the comments, have you ever used a jump starter? Did it work, or was it the wrong fix? Thanks for watching. Stay safe on the road.